Hey everyone, welcome back to Arijit Talk Sports. This is Arijit and आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं about 4 drivers who I believe would do a better job at Mercedes than Valtteri Bottas. So without any delay, let's begin. So this past weekend in Portugal, we saw Lewis Hamilton break Michael Schumacher's record for all-time victories in Formula One. Lewis Hamilton has 92 victories now. Now that is a big achievement. But how did Lewis Hamilton get to this point जहाँ पे वो Michael Schumacher का इतना बड़ा win number को तोड़ पा रहा है? And that's because Lewis Hamilton has been dominating the sport for some years now. I mean, the only time he didn't win the World Championship in the last 6 years was 2016 when Nico Rosberg won the World Championship. So what is the reason for Lewis Hamilton's continued dominance? Obviously, it's his greatness. I believe he's the greatest driver that Formula One has ever seen. So it is his greatness, but it is also the car that he is in. Especially after Ferrari's downfall, Mercedes right now are by far the best car on the grid. And if you put the greatest driver ever in the best car, he's going to win almost every race, which is what is happening in Formula One right now. And Lewis Hamilton is taking all the championships home. While people do appreciate Lewis Hamilton's greatness more or less, they want competition, and more competition than we see in Formula One right now. They want to see Lewis Hamilton struggle for his victories. They want Lewis Hamilton to struggle for his championships. And he does. But the thing is, he's just in such a class of his own that he makes it look easy every single time. तो अब क्या किया जा सकता है? तो सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है कि जो फॉर्मूला वन ग्रिड में एक ही कार है राइट नाउ जो कि लुइस हैमिल्टन के कार को टक्कर दे सकती है, एंड दैट्स द कार दैट वैल्टरी बॉटस इज ड्राइविंग. और वैल्टरी बॉटस क्लियरली लुइस हैमिल्टन को कंपटीशन नहीं दे पा रहा है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट दिस वीकेंड, he got out qualified by Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton had an amazing last lap to get that pole position. Then you move on to race day. तो race day के दिन क्या होता है? Valtteri Bottas actually takes the lead initially, but then Lewis Hamilton just overtakes him, and he never looks back. And that is what has been happening. ऐसा नहीं कि Valtteri Bottas competition देने की कोशिश नहीं करता है. He tries to give some competition, but he just can't match up to Lewis Hamilton. और ये बार-बार होता आ रहा है. He wants to win the World Championship. He wants to win those races, but he just can't match up to Lewis Hamilton. Now, if you want to see more competition in Formula One, Mercedes needed to replace Valtteri Bottas for the 2021 season. I know they haven't, so this is all fantasy. But I am going to mention 4 drivers who I think, if they were in Bottas's place, they would have given Hamilton a real run for his money. So let's start with the list. Name number 1 on my list is going to be Pierre Gasly. And I know this might be a controversial opinion to have, because I would be looking over people like Carlos Sainz and Lando Norris. But I really believe that Pierre Gasly would be the right choice right now. After having been demoted from Red Bull to Alpha Tauri at the middle part of last season, और जिस तरीके का उसने बाउंस बैक किया इस सीजन, जिस तरीके का फाइटिंग स्पिरिट और ड्राइव रेस इन रेस आउट दिखाया है, he has been out competing Alex Albon almost every weekend. जबकि Alex Albon से उससे रिप्लेस किया गया, तो Alex Albon is in a Red Bull car. He is supposed to be doing better than Pierre Gasly. But Pierre Gasly is just outperforming Alex Albon every week. और मुझे डेफिनेटली लगता है कि Red Bull को Pierre Gasly को जल्दी वापस लाना चाहिए, because right now they're just wasting time on Alex Albon. That's my opinion. तो Pierre Gasly जिस तरीके का फाइटिंग स्पिरिट और जिस तरीके का ड्राइव दिखा रहा है, और जिस तरीके से he is never satisfied with what he has. I mean, you look at the Perez overtake that he did last weekend. That shows that he's always hungry for more. If put in a Mercedes car, I think he can do even more amazing things in that seat. He would not be afraid of giving Lewis Hamilton a run for his money. और मुझे लगता है बहुत तगड़ा कंपटीशन होगा अगर पियर गाज़ली जिस तरीके के फॉर्म में है और जिस तरीके की क्वालिटीज उसने हमें दिखाया है. If he takes that to Mercedes, or like hypothetically obviously, if he takes that to Mercedes, then I believe he would have done a much better job than Valtteri Bottas is doing right now in challenging Lewis Hamilton. Driver number 2 on my list is Daniel Ricciardo. Now, we all know how talented of a driver Daniel Ricciardo is. बट जिस तरीके का रिसर्जेंस हमें अभी रेनो के साथ उनका देखने मिल रहा है, दैट शोज कि ही हैज सो मच लेफ्ट एंड ही स्टिल हैज द पोटेंशियल टू गो अहेड एंड बिकम अ वर्ल्ड चैंपियन. क्योंकि he had an amazing run in Red Bull. Then it was overshadowed by the arrival of Max Verstappen. He left for Renault, didn't do well last season, so we were like कि पता नहीं क्या होगा Danny Rick के साथ. But this year Renault and Daniel Ricciardo have really come back. और जिस तरीके, if you've seen the past few races that he's been a part of, you can see the talent is there and you can see the hunger's there. और मुझे लगता है 31 he is very desperate to win a world championship. That is why he's moving to Ferrari. Now Ferrari is obviously doing very poorly right now. So I don't know how that move will pan out. How good that would be for Daniel Ricciardo. I still think it's a definite upgrade over a Renault. But मुझे लगता है अगर वो Mercedes में जाता तो बहुत तगड़ा rivalry देखने मिलता between Lewis Hamilton and Daniel Ricciardo. I mean, it's a rivalry we can all fantasize about क्योंकि हमें मुझे नहीं लगता कभी देखने मिला है because when Danny Ric was in Red Bull, Lewis Hamilton was in Mercedes. There was no real competition there. अभी भी वही हाल है. Renault versus Mercedes, no real competition to be seen. But अगर दोनों Mercedes में होते तो बहुत तगड़ा competition देखने मिलता है. And who knows, Danny Ric might have nicked a few race wins from Lewis Hamilton. तो हमें वो नहीं देखने मिल रहा है. But that is something to fantasize about. Driver number 3 is Charles Leclerc from Ferrari. Now we all know that Ferrari have put up a terrible car this year. But जिस तरीके की driving Charles Leclerc उस terrible car, उस terrible Ferrari car में दिखा रहा है, that is almost unbelievable because you see Sebastian Vettel, a 4-time world champion, struggling with that very same car, and Charles Leclerc is finishing close to the podium points in that same car. So when you look at that, you realize the amount of talent that this person has and this driver has. So it's amazing to watch what Charles Leclerc is doing. And clearly, when he had a good car last year, Ferrari ke saath, and this was his first year at Ferrari, he never crumbled under pressure. He performed race after race. This year, even in a bad car, he's finishing close to the podium positions. That just tells us कि कितना ज़्यादा talent भरा हुआ, कितना ज़्यादा अभी waste हो रहा है because he doesn't have a good car. Because right now, I believe कि if he had a better car, then he would have been a real challenger to Lewis Hamilton for the championship, not just for race wins. So if you put him in a Mercedes car, there are going to be some troubles for Lewis Hamilton, let's just say that. The last name on the list, and the person who has the potential to be the biggest challenge to Lewis Hamilton, is Max Verstappen. I've always maintained कि Lewis Hamilton के बाद अगर कोई सबसे ज़्यादा talented है on the grid, that's Max Verstappen. And at just 22 years old, I mean, जिस तरीके की maturity दिखा रहा है वो Red Bull के साथ, we know the Red Bulls can't hang in there with the Mercedes. But जिस तरीके से वो हर बार podium finish ला रहा है, I mean, कितने बार second finish कर रहा है? He's also won a race this season. That shows कि कितना कमाल का driver है Max Verstappen. And this we're not even talking about what he's done, in the previous seasons. He has always been a performer. Pressure he doesn't feel. He's not afraid of anything. And maturity add कर लिया है to all of his prior qualities. So if he had the same quality car as Lewis Hamilton, then I believe he would be the biggest challenge that Lewis Hamilton has had, at least in the past 4 years. Since Nico Rosberg, I think he'd be a bigger challenge than Nico Rosberg, by far. I genuinely believe that. So, if Max Verstappen would have been at Mercedes, I mean, the last thing that would have been guaranteed was a Lewis Hamilton World Championship. So that's something that we can think about, something we can fantasize about. Hopefully, 2022 mein, Lewis Hamilton is still around, or Red Bull have matched up with Mercedes. Yeah, maybe Max Verstappen can move to Mercedes. Maybe 2022 at the earliest we can see this rivalry, because this is a rivalry I am dying to watch, and I hope I can watch this before Lewis Hamilton retires. So with that, we can end the video. Comment section में comment करके बताना कि आपको क्या लगता है, who should Valtteri Bottas be replaced with at Mercedes to see better competition in Formula 1. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आपके comments को देख के. और अगर आपको इस वीडियो में मजा आया तो please like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one as always.